I want to be remembered as a catalyst for change in America.
Throughout her career, Shirley Chisholm used her skills in debate and diplomacy to be a catalyst for change. She is famous for being the first in many political arenas.
And daring to be her full self, she opened the door for many to follow. But what she really wanted to be remembered for is catalyzing real change for others.
Our project was about Shirley Chisholm and how she used her debate and diplomatic skills for running for president.
I wrote a paper on gay marriage.
We did a project about Fritz Haber and how he revolutionized chemical warfare.
And I created a website that talked about the vaccine mandates and how they evolved over time and how they were created.
My project was about the Apollo-Soyuz test flight of 1975.
I did an exhibit board on the Little Rock 9.
Personally, my favorite part was the research part because I felt that I did learn a lot during the research.
It's really enjoyable and fun to kind of research about a certain part of history.
You're really able to embody a historian and look into the archives.
Going out to all the places and historical sites that Shirley Chisholm has walked through before, looking at a mural that was painted about her. I'll hold on to that more rather.
They take over and they start controlling, their own projects.
And the kids are teaching us, and that's really important and empowering to watch.
National History Day teaches you a lot of those research, critical thinking, presentation skills.
I learned a lot on how to get good information and primary sources.
It really helps you realize what you can trust and what you can't trust.
It really advanced my creativity, writing.
It just gives you overall a lot of skills that would help you later in your student career.
I think this is such a great tool to have students connect with history. This is something that comes to life for them.
It's really important for people to kind of share their ideas, share their opinions on. That way we can kind of improve as a society.
You really get to explore a topic that you care about.
Just that feeling of knowing that you completed something this big. You feel good about what you've done.
The way it's structured, where you can present your research in different formats, is really well suited to embracing the strengths of different types of students, and that you can submit a paper and that you can submit an exhibit, a performance, or a documentary or a website now too.
Just go for it. Don't hesitate.
I've witnessed students transform.
When they find a topic that they're passionate about and matches a theme, they just roll with it, and it's amazing to watch.
I've seen bonds made. I've seen light bulbs going on with ideas. I've seen a hunger and a thirst for more.